Everyone. Well, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. This is the reading for the month of May 2021. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Guys, this is the reading for the month of May 2021. And if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. This reading is basically related to situationship. That means it is either related to career or relationship, Sagittarius. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. Okay, you are going with the flow. Going with the flow, Sagittarius, right now. Just being patient enough, going with the flow. You are feeling very exhausted because there is certain situations you are facing right now which is not coming true, or you are feeling exhausted related to a situation currently. Okay, usually you think from your emotional perspective, from your heart. Okay, since you are a Sagittarius. Okay, but right now you're thinking from mind. You're just being practical enough. Okay, there's something happening in your life currently, or it is about to happen very soon. Okay, a major breakthrough is on the horizon for you. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, guys. Okay, yes. Also, one more thing, your third eye chakra is opening. Like your awakening is happening, and your realizations are happening. A lot of realizations are happening in your life nowadays. Okay, so yeah, you are thinking beyond expectations. Like you're having different dreams or different visions about certain people, certain life, certain perspective. Okay, yes. Sagittarius, two people at a distance wanting to come together or thinking about each other. A lot of love. Your partner, if you are dealing with any partner, your partner really loves you and you really love your partner. Okay, even if you are in separation, even if you are at a distance, it can be anything. Two people at a distance wanting to come together, missing each other, or even if they are with you, they are really in love with you. Okay, yes. There's certain disappointments are there related to I don't know what. Okay, there's major changes are on the horizon for you. Major shifts, major changes are on the horizon for you. Okay, like endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, you feel that a lot of situations and things are getting delayed right now. Okay, that's why a lot of situations is being blocked right now. Correct? Yeah, lot of delays are happening. Nothing is working out into your favor because of this pandemic due to, or this coronavirus thing. Okay, going on in India. So, okay, so yeah, guys, one thing, important thing. Okay, if you like this reading, kindly like, share and subscribe. And I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, yes. Sagittarius, you want to take a risk related to someone or something. Okay, you are ready to move on. You are not thinking about the past. You are not clinging on to the past anymore and not being disappointed anymore. You are ready to move on from your situation, from your life. Okay, move on towards your partner. A reconciliation or a major decision you can take related to a third party situation either, or else related to a reconciliation. Some of the Sagittarius might hear a good news related to pregnancy as well, feminines. Okay, yeah, but yeah, you are ready to take a risk related to a situation, ready to move on, ready for reconciliation. If you are into a separation for a long time with your partner, you're ready to have a reconciliation or ready to make a decision related to a third party interference which happened into your life earlier, recently. Okay, you're holding back from someone. Okay, like you want to reconcile energetically, you want to be with that person, but you're holding back your feelings, emotions. Okay, yes. If you are thinking to invest it in a real estate company. Okay, property, land, this is a good time for investment. Okay, for next 4 months, within next 4 months you can invest. You are having sleepless nights, okay, anxiety issues, okay, you are having a lot of sleepless nights, tensions, worry, anxiety issues, okay. There is a money related issues are going on, okay, like you want to take a risk related to money opportunity, you are waiting for some sort of an offer, that offer once come, I will grab that offer, okay, but it is not coming in the month of May, okay, it will be coming in the near future, in the upcoming months, next 3 to 4 months. But yeah, you want to take a risk, you want to start with a new job, either new business, new category, expanding new horizons into your work life, okay, into your money related stuff, or earning from passive income, different incomes. Yeah, you are, whatever happened in your past that makes you unhappy sometimes, okay, that and you regret that why you wasted so much of time thinking about a person and not moving on actually, okay, that really, like you really become sad and unhappy related to whatever happened in the past, okay. Yes, there is definitely a twin flame connection, Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with either a twin flame connection or a soulmate connection or a spiritual connection. Two people at a distance, fights are happening, problems are happening, and issues are going on into your partnership, okay. And you want to come together, okay, but that's not having right now. You want to reconcile, you want to reunite, but that's not happening right now, because issues are going on into your life right now. Like there's a universal blockage from the angels, from the universe, okay. There's nothing happening because of you, okay. Don't feel bad that why I couldn't take this relationship forward and all that bullshit. No, this is not happening because of you. That this is happening because of the angels, angel guardians, universal thing, okay. So until and unless universe doesn't wants you to be reconciled, work on yourself, self love and self care, okay. Yes, because if you won't love yourself enough, you won't be able to reconcile, because there is a strategy. If you are dealing with a twin flame connection, you need to love yourself, you need to reach to your higher vibrational level, okay, and at the same time your partner needs to work on themselves, okay. So you both need to work on yourself separately, and then the reconciliation will happen, okay, once you both comes in a same page, okay. You're just being very emotional right now, or concerned about money, spending very wisely, if I say so, okay, thinking about everything and then spending wisely, okay. Yes, okay, I just took like this, okay, so I should be like this, okay. So yeah, that is what some of you might be married with this person, and that is disappointing you because issues are going on into your life currently, okay, and you are having sleepless nights. Yes, you want a new beginning into your life, into a career also, relationship also, you want a second chance, like you really want to, even if you have cutted the communication with your partner, you have feelings for that person energetically, okay. You cannot, like, you're gaining a clarity, you have feelings for that person, you cannot ignore your feelings, okay. On an energetic level, you still love that person, you still have feelings with that person, and you want a new beginning related to career, okay. Yeah, okay, yes, this is the time of taking action, okay. Within next 7 months, you will take action related to your marriage, you will take a decision related to a third party interference, whatever happened into your life, okay. So don't feel bad about it, okay. Yeah, yes, reconciliation is possible within next 10 months, within next 3 months to let's say probably 3 months to 7 months, reconciliation is possible. Again, I am telling you, if you are dealing with a soulmate connection, that's really good. If you are dealing with a karmic connection, reconciliation won't happen, because this card is all about twin flame connection, a spiritual connection. So if your partner and you are a twin flame connection, reconciliation is definitely possible, okay. And third party release is also there from your married life, okay. Now it can be your in-laws, mother, father, in-laws, parents, and third lover, okay. Third party interference is releasing, and your reconciliation is definitely possible, okay. So yeah, Sagittarius. Now let's see what is the life purpose of your life. Some of you might be taking care of environment, some of you need to spend time with animals, okay? You might be an animal lover, okay, or animals might heal you by spending time in nature and with animals. Whatever situation or whatever problems going on in your life, that might help you to heal, okay? Yes, you need to understand that you are into higher vibrational level, okay? Definitely you are into twin flame journey, Sagittarius. Not all of you, but few of you, okay, from whichever situation is resonating. But you need to worry about the divine, okay, not about the things happening in your life. Think about the people who are really, think that you are stepping one step ahead with your angels, with your divine. Detach from the world and attach to the divine, okay? Because divine guidance the thing is that angels are guiding you, okay? This is angels and universal plan, not your plan, okay? So you are going through the universe is not going according to you, okay? Some of the Sagittarius might go into the spiritual path of healing, and some of you might start a business related to crystals, gemstones, and healings, okay? Energetic healing, spiritual healing, reiki, okay? So yeah, that kind of business will suit you, Sagittarius, okay? Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light, and love to this world. Wow, Sagittarius, whatever my purpose is in this lifetime, your life purpose is also going to get changed. You need to do good karmas for the people who really love you guys, okay, in the form of charity, donation, helping people. During this pandemic, help as much people as you can, free of cost, okay? So you need to be your purpose is that you need to heal people in any way possible, by helping them, by healing them, by sharing, by asking their problems and solving them. It can be anything. So light and love is your path. That means you need to work for humanity and charitable things, okay? Yeah, that is what your guidance are telling you. Some of you keep asking questions and keep seeking for the answers. Where are you, what are you supposed to do, and all that, okay? So if you have a lot of questions, ask yourself, and try to solve your answers on your own, because this is a journey of independence, okay? Not anyone can go for this journey, okay? Very less people go for it, okay? Trust your feelings and dreams to guide you into your career path. Whatever career path you are in, now you will be gaining a lot of universal messages. 1111 you are seeing, and or you will be seeing, and your career path is going to come to change, like full on, okay? So yeah, okay guys, so you need to trust your career path. Whatever trust you are having in your career path, the situation will be right. Like dreams are guiding you to your correct path, okay? So yeah, some of you might change your career. Like if you are into entertainment field, you might follow a spiritual path, okay? You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve. Whatever I said again, whatever career you are actually in, okay, and if you are not satisfied, if that is not fulfilling your purpose of humanity and charitable thing, you might change your career at any point of time, okay? Or you need to, if you are gaining some of the dreams and feelings and all that, okay? So yeah, let's see what is the love reading saying. Wow. Okay, deception, okay? Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship, okay? Sagittarius, either you were deceptive to the other person, or the other person thinks that you were deceptive into this relationship, okay? Or the third party situation, if you are dealing with, they were deceptive into this situation. That's what you felt, okay? So yeah, okay. Yes, you have still a lot of strong magnetic attraction towards each other, okay? Like you have energetic, if you are separated physically, then energetically a lot of chemistry is still there, like physical chemistry, attraction towards each other, you are still thinking energetically about each other. Well, I think for few of you who are into twin flame connection, your partner is your right person, it's your right choice. Okay, you have already met your romantic partner you seek. Okay, it's just that few of the problems are getting into the way and you are unable to decide why it's happening in my life, but you are into a soul journey of yourself. Okay, and angels are guiding you, angels are protecting you. Okay, and few of the Sagittarius who are single, okay, if you are dealing with any romantic partner or a romantic crush you have, okay, they might be the one for you. Okay, for single. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next is heart to heart communication. Okay, Sagittarius, if you are dealing with a third party situation, if you are dealing with the problems into your relationship, you need to have a heart to heart communication, and honest communication is needed about what you feel and what other partner feels about you. Okay, you need to express, you need to, even if the other person is not expressing, let it be, you need to express your heart out. Okay, even if it's a third party interference is there, third lover is there, doesn't matter, you need to have an honest communication with your partner. Okay, that what guiding angels are guiding me. Some of you might be involved children's as well, like if you are married, if you are in separation, if you are married but not separated, few of you have a children's also in your relationship, your love life is affected by children. There might be a cause that because of children's your separation happened, or because of children's fightings are happening into your relationship, it might be possible. Okay, so yeah, you need to forgive your partner and you need to learn. Okay, forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love into the present new moments. So whatever happened in the past, universe is telling you forgive and move on, forgive and learn. Okay, so not move on, forgive and learn. Okay, about the things happened into your life. Okay, do not feel bad about it and keep on thinking about it that nothing is working out into your favor, because everything is decided by the universe only. You are no one. Yes, as I told you, some of you are dealing with a separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Either you are already separated or you are going to separate. Okay, if you are dealing with a twin flame connection. Okay, but this separation doesn't mean that you will not reconcile. For reconciling, you need to work on yourself, self love and self care, guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.